sustainable,
Skate.
and resilient port infrastructure and facilities to provide responsive, reliable, and efficient, fair, and relevant to the needs of all stakeholders. Over the years, the PPA has been involved in various expansion and modernization projects aimed at improving the efficiency and capacity of the Philippine ports. These initiatives are significant for supporting the growing trade and economic activities in the Philippines. To keep pace with global trends and improve operational efficiency, the PPA has implemented various technological upgrades.
Given that the Philippines is a maritime nation, I believe that it is time for us to make the maritime industry once again a top priority. Moment for Region 5 and in particular for the province of Camarines Norte. We got the word that our honored guest, the Senator Robin Padilla, is already in transit on air, and he will be around in no time at all. For those of you who would like to use a comfortable room, we have 2 portalettes around, and for those of you who are in need of some assistance, we have the staff of the Governor's Office and the Musay Bulawan. I'd like to acknowledge the preparatory efforts of the people of Musay Bulawan. We have been here since 4 days earlier. We have been scouring Grand Entire Corps as our welcoming band. Ladies and gentlemen, announcing the arrival of the Honorable Senator Robin Padilla. Palakpakan po natin! Also, we would like to acknowledge the arrival of the Honorable Governor Dong Padilla. Palakpakan po natin! Once again, ladies and gentlemen, please give a big round of applause to our honored guest, the Honorable Senator Robin Padilla, along with our very own Governor, the Regional Development Council Chairman, Governor Dong Padilla. Along with some coins, and all this will be slowly lowered to the ground.
Sundan niyo po siya at para malaman po ninyo kung anong nagaganap dito sa bayan natin. Follow and subscribe.